Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see about PlayWright. So the last video we have seen what is PlayWright and how to install, and we have ran the sample script which they already provided. So in this video, we are going to write our own script. Maybe we can take some e-commerce site or something like that, and we can do some action so that we understand. So what and all we can like what are the challenges we are facing while writing our own script and all, like okay. So also, like, we can see like the sample script which they provide, right? It has some kind of int for everything, so that also we can, from there itself we can take it. So let's start it. Like, so the last video we have installed, so and we have run also. So running the things and all we have done from the Visual Studio Code, right? So that's why we haven't seen something there. Okay, so now let's move to Visual Studio Code here. So this is the sample script which they have provided. So here, for example, any automation, for example, any UI automation, what is the action we will do it? Click, fill the form, select the checkbox, select a drop down, scroll, mouse over, and keyboard actions. So these are all the stuff, right? And assertion point. So everything they have given in the sample script actually. If you so if you have time, please have a look at it, the sample script. Like, for example, to fill the values they are using fill. To use the keyboard they are using press enter, so that it will enter the keyboard. And to assert something text. So this to do item, they have some list is there. So from here they are doing it. So there is some page they are just asserting the text is buy some cheese, something like that. And if you like, also there is a assertion to be empty. So it's empty. Check number of to do in local storage. So this is a browser storage level they are checking actually. So these are all kind of with JavaScript level we used to do with Selenium and all, right? So that one. So there is lot of different assertion methods to have the text, to contain the text, to have the text. Something like to have the text, you know, right? Like exactly it should have this. To contain the text, it can like have a partial text, something like that. So the whole to do item, whole list should be there on some locator. So there are a lot of to be visible, lot of assertion they have written. Also how to check, like check uncheck, for example checkbox, right? So check uncheck. And to be checked, it's like just expecting it's all checked. So that validations also here, unchecked to be checked. So like we almost covered everything, right? Just with this one test which they only have given it. Okay, but let's see what issues we may face and what else when we write, like what and all it will change, something like that. Even there is a mouse over, double click, and it's while looking at it, it will be easy, so everything. But when we start doing something like that, we may face some issues. Okay, so for the reference purpose, what I did, I just example script I move out of the test. I have created one geo test spec, something like that. Let me open this. So we have some basic test steps. So let me remove this stuff. Okay, so we are going to do with geomart. So maybe let's open the browser. So in this browser we can just open the geomart. So let's try to click on grocery and fruit vegetable, and then go to add to cart, anyone. And go to cart, maybe go to cart, and just verify something in this screen, something like payment detail or apply coupon. Just make sure that we are in this screen. So that's what we are going to do in this video. Okay, so maybe that we can start now. Let's just take the URL. So already we have the script. Okay, geomod. This is a before each script. This is a template. Like before starting the test itself, we'll go to that page, geo test, something like adding item to the cart. So then await, because page has to load, right? So the page which has the driver, something like we used to do driver, that we are passing page here from this. So page dot uh, locator. So we are going to use everything into CSS here. So what is the which one we have to use it? Just go here. Just go to inspect element. We need to click on grocery, right? So let's select the locator. So locator is same, whatever framework you use, it will be same. Okay. So I'm just taking a CSS. So if you guys have any CSS doubt, just bring me. Even I have some few videos. Now it is just match only one. Just copying it. This is the CSS for grocery. Okay. So let me go here. Locator dot click. Okay. So now we can run also. It's like npx playwright test. So what happens, it will just go to the page and click on grocery, right? So npx playwright test, it's pass actually. So what it means is like it is running by default headless. So we want to see the browser. So what we have to do, hyphen headed, we need to add this command. Okay, anyway, I will highlight this command also. If it is like so here is the command. Okay, so npx playwright test. Okay, just for you guys I just zoomed it. So but well, if you had added, then only it will just I'll remove this. You can see the browser. I think I'm seeing the browser in the other screen actually. Let's, it just opened and closed it. Why? Because it opened the browser and clicked on that and just closed it. So that speed actually we want to just write some more step, and I'll tell you the way how can we say, like, let's see the navigation. So while running the test, so that one I will tell you. So after this I need to write I just go to fruit and vegetable. Okay, by mistake I clicked it, I think. Grocery, and if we go here, I think inside you can see fruit and vegetable. Again I'm going to take a navigation link 219 ID is there actually, so that also I can use it with hash. So there is only one match. Just go here. We can click that way. Also we can click here like this using a page dot locator. Then we can click. Otherwise directly we can wait page dot click. Inside you just pass the locator. So this also works actually. Okay. So that way we can see, we can minimize. See here page locator. Then we are using click. And directly also we can click. So when we have to use this, like I can explain later maybe. Okay, so both way it will click the things. If you want to assign this locator to some variable, then you want to click, then do some other stuff. That's how we will use the locator. Okay, if we just click, like directly you can click it. Okay, so then let's do one more step. Okay, after click on it, I just want to click on add to cart. Here add to cart. So I'm unique one is this one. I will use this because it will show two, but it will click on first one, right? Let me just use this. So the locator one, I'm just taking it. I'm sure you guys have already aware of locator stuff. another click. I'm just using direct click method. Okay, so now I'll run it. Let's see what happens. I think it opened here. It clicked. I don't know, something happened. Let me run it. Maybe while moving I have changed the cursor or something like that. That might be the issue. So let's see one more time. Yeah, it clicked. Okay, so instead of clicking somewhere, it went to some other SKU. This SKU is there, right? Let's see. Fruit and vegetable. Okay, so navigation link 219. Okay. So this navigation link 219 is something else. That's why we are not able to. So what we can do, we can directly use this. There is some issue with locator. Like use this one, HREF. There will be only one match. Two, I think, but still it will work fine, no issue. So I just replace this. Now let me run it. Now it started running again. It will click on it, it will add, then it will come out. Actually it is pass. So if you see the report, its test is pass, but we are not able to see anything because it's that much speed actually. So if you see the steps, everything is pass. Okay, so what we'll do, like try to take a screenshot. Okay, so how to take a screenshot? Like await page screenshot. I think maybe I'll give testing 13 July dot png. Okay, let's see this time. Hey, I just ran it again. Reporter one, sorry. Okay, so make sure you are using edit for see the browser actions, otherwise it will not. Okay, so there is screenshot should come. It didn't came actually, right? Okay, so if you again like go to here, so we have somewhere screenshot, just we can, it's not there, right? Then it's a good idea is go to that page screenshot. Okay, it's already there. Okay, so the way inside I just used a string, we need to pass the object. Okay, I'm just taking it from here. I'm just going to use it. It's not showing the thing also. Instead of string, you need to pass the JSON object with the path key. Okay, I was not aware of it, this one. Again run it. I think this time screenshot.png something will update here. I think one more is there in this. Let's see. Yeah, see, if you go here now, I think now you can see it here. Okay, this one you can see it, right? This, like from this page it created. So let's do from the cart page, something like that. Let me click on cart page dot, again click, take the cart locator. Where is this? Geomart? Yeah. So after adding to the cart, I think it will be there in the cart only, right? So just I need to click on this class cart. I'll just take this as of now. Just one match. So I just take the cart locator, click on it, and here you can, after going to the cart page, you can wait for somewhere like something like for wait or assert expect. Here we use page dot locator, page dot locator dot some locator, the text or something like that, to have text, to have text will be there, to have text. Yeah, good thing is like it shows all the indentation. So what text you are expecting for which locator after click on the card page. So after click on the card page, what you are expecting in the card page. So cart is empty, right? So just go back, I'll add it, then come to the cart. We need to follow the same steps, otherwise we'll be not able to find. So I already told you, right? Like place order button, something like that. Okay, so this is good one. Place order button should be there on the cart page. If you go here, button checkout. Yeah, so this button checkout class is nice. Control F, button checkout. There is only one. Okay, fine, good. Place order. We can assert in different way. Have the text or is visible, to be visible, to be visible, also fine, I think. So what we'll do, we'll take the screenshot here. We'll mention it place order screen. So because we don't have anything like that, so let me run it now. So guys, like I have another screen, so always it's starting on the different screen. Sorry, always running in report one. Some error while writing it added, right? Okay. So always whenever you get error, don't try to run again and again. Just check the error once. It might be simple. Without looking into error, if you are trying to debug, it's gone case. The whole day you have to do it. It's added to the cart. Now go to the cart page and taken it. So place order screen came. See, now we can see the screenshot. So this is kind of a small demo I was able to. The thing is like, see, I'm not expert, or I haven't done many project with this PlayWright tool. It's like I'm also learning. Like you guys also learn like how I'm learning, the way of learning or way of get the information from the site. So these are all the main thing actually, because if you follow that one instead of just taking input of PlayWright, if you see like how I am doing it, that will help you to learn any tool. This one I want to add it like. Don't think like I'm just taking from the page and here and there. This is how the learning process of myself actually. Okay, then see, we are learning as well as I'm applying. So this is more important in the learning phase actually. Okay, anyway guys, we are able to write small script. We are just written hard coded test. These are all we can format. We can add page object modeling framework, blah blah. Lot of stuffs are there. But before that, we'll see different challenges. See, for the screenshot, it was kind of little different, not what I was thinking, and it was so speed. So we'll if you want to put some sleep or something like that, asynchronous call, how can we do it? So a lot of stuffs are there. We'll see everything, then we can move to the another level. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you really like my videos, please support and subscribe the channel. Thanks.